Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial, and we've got some solutions for your small pick items and your inventory needs. This is an order picker platform designed to go and engage to an order picker. You can see on the bottom, we've got the oak block here with a convenient open pocket. That way it's easy for them to enter into it from about any angle and still engage it and take it up. We also have a stop in front here, so the order picker person cannot move forward and step onto this, so it stays engaged. It's just a safety factor is what we're looking at. It has the shelf on top so you can do small case pick or any kind of quick pick items that you need to go up and grab off the shelf, besides an inventory control desk. As you can see, New Age is an aluminum extruder. This is a piece of the billet. It's never gonna rust. It's all aluminum. This has been made by this little piece right here. So when you call New Age, you can see we're gonna make it exactly to fit your needs. For more information, email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com.